You haters?
So as you can see, lawn's doing extremely well, but right here we're having some issues for no other reason, just to have issues. So what I'm going to be using today is a product that helps out and grows this back super quickly. I am getting some rhizomes that are popping up and coming in and filling in these areas, but they are not filling in quickly enough. So I'm going to be using a product that will fill these patches in super quick. Stay tuned. Let's go. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit that thumbs up. It's huge to content creators, helps us out a lot. And please leave your comments in the comment section. You do have an opinion. We do like to hear them. Please add it down below.
As you can see from that clip, not exactly what I was expecting, but I'll definitely take this pleasant surprise. I got some bare spots I can definitely fill with the TURFMEND with GCI Blue Heat.
As you can see from my yard, it's actually doing extremely well. But as you come out just a little bit further, this area right here though, it was hit with some issues from this season. And as you can see, there are a few bare patches in there where they have not fully filled in yet. So the fix that I'm going to do for this is actually a super easy fix. It's not something super difficult. It's all in one, and it's definitely something that a homeowner can do super easily. It has a fertilizer, it has a seed, it has a mulch to be able to crack the seed during the middle of summer. So it actually retains moisture extremely well, and it goes along really well with the seed that I'm going to overseed with this season. What is this, you might be asking? Let me show you. So what I'm going to be using is TURFMEND. It comes with the GCI Blue Heat seed mixed into it. So it's going to have a very solid quality seed with the ability to germinate during the middle of summer. Right now this week where I'm going to be germinating this is in a heat wave, but I'm going to put this down and I'm going to grow that in these patches. So the problems that we're going to run into though is if you look at it, I don't have seed to soil contact because I have a layer of thatch in there. This is going to be the root material from the old grass that was in there that has not came back. So I've got to get rid of this. And the way that I'm going to get rid of that is I'm just going to dig it out. So right here on the instructions, it says to remove dead grass, apply TURFMEND as the next step, and then keep it moist. It'll hold 3 times the moisture with the peat and the stuff that's inside of this. But now that that has been removed, this is definitely ready to go down. I'm going to be putting it down in a decently heavy fashion. This bag right here will cover 95 square feet. So all I'm going to do now that I have this open is just take it and spread it into the area. Has the consistency of chocolate chips in here. That's kind of cool. Can you see how small that seed is? That seed is super small. It's those teeny tiny, lighter colored pieces in there. That is super small for the seed that I've seen that's Kentucky Blue. So that's how easy it is to put in and to apply. You just make it so that it can have seed to soil contact, and then you just apply it, just put it down. Then you water it in. It's that simple. Keep it moist and you'll have grass. in no time. So as you can see, those patches sit right here, and it's all doing decently well right through here. So we will be fixing those areas. So now all that's left to do is to turn on the water and water it in and keep it moist for the next couple of weeks so that the grass can grow in. So the final step of this is to get it watered in. As you see, I have my water on and I'm watering it in. This is the final step, and this is going to be the key step to it all. If we can keep it moist during those hot days and we can get it to the seed to crack, we can get this to germinate and be a part of our lawn here in the near future. I expect this to crack within 14 to 21 days. And when it does, I think that it'll look extremely well and blend extremely well with the existing grass that I have here. That ant stole my seed. They're stealing the seed. Do you see that? That ant has the seed. Wow. That's not going to germinate. You haters? I'm extremely excited for both of these blends by themselves, but together, no contest. Definitely is something I'm excited about. I haven't used it yet, but this is definitely something I have high hopes for. Question for this week: have you ever needed a quick patch job, but you didn't have a great option, or you've used another brand and it worked really well? Leave it down in the comments down below. I'm really interested to hear what you have to say. Those things are very beneficial to be able to patch existing issues in our grass, and this is definitely one of them that I really recommend. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green.